Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to find USDT TRC20 wallet address on Mexc. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Mexc exchange. Once you have logged into your Mexc account, you need to click on wallets at the bottom right corner. From here, you need to select deposit option and now click on on-chain deposit and simply select it. And in the search bar, you need to search for USDT and select USDT Tether. From the many network out there, you need to select Tron TRC20 network and always make sure to select same network on the receiving side also, or you will lose all your funds permanently. So simply click on Tron TRC20 and here you can see your USDT TRC20 wallet address along with the QR code. Tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find USDT TRC20 wallet address on Mexc.
If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.